AP test takers, just wanted to go over a couple things. Tomorrow we're going to do a very important review with Miss Clement's students. So many of you guys have talked about how you want to focus a little bit more on DBQ writing within the time frame. So just want to show you that here in Google Classroom in the classwork section, I put a practice DBQ. It has 5 documents on there. So what I suggest you do is you set your timer to about 45 minutes and give yourself some time. Take the DBQ, work on it, and answer the questions. Now, one of the things I added on here in the work is a DBQ worksheet. So you might want to look over this DBQ worksheet and see how perhaps it could help you save some time on the test. First part is all about the prompt, how you analyze the prompt and what, the information you should take out of it that you're trying to put into your thesis statement. So what historical thinking skills do they want you to use, if any, to focus on, what they want you to compare, contrast, analyze for continuity and change, the time period that you're writing about, so you kind of understand the historical context that you need to focus on. And then it has some information here where you could put your document analysis, what might be some outside evidence related to that, and then your source analysis, okay, sourcing information. All these things will give you points on your test. And since there's just 5 documents in 45 minutes, I suggest you make 2 groups for kind of 2 main claims that are going to be the argument for your thesis statement. So what groups or what documents are you going to put into those groups? What kind of categories are they going to be around? And how are you going to make your main claim right here? Finally, formulate your thesis statement. You could follow the format right here, although something has been argued for. Because you have some 2 main facts of things that happen, your main argument is going to be based on something that you find in the documents. Contextualization, important vocabulary, key terms that might be related to your time period that you could add into your context or also throw into your essay for outside evidence. And finally, any kind of main evidence that you could use beyond the documents would go there. And then you jump into your writing your essay. So we will be reviewing Unit 4, Global Interactions, Columbian Exchange. We're going to kind of keep that portion, fairly concise so we could kind of review your DBQ and how it might have been scored. You could, we'll kind of go over how, what are some of the main points you should have put into that particular document or essay. And then we're going to kind of do that probably one more time. We'll give you another DBQ to work on for the next Wednesday. But focus on this one. It is, like I said, in Google Classroom. Right there, it's got the directions, the prompt to work on, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow, 1 o'clock, with Miss Clement. That is, that meeting is a Zoom meeting. The information's in Instagram, and I'll probably also load that up here onto the Google Classroom as well. All right, have a good day, take care, and I will talk to you guys later. Sorry.